Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 running slow high RAM usage issue. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC and you're facing high RAM usage issue or your Windows is running slow, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go to your settings app. You can also go from here, just click on this window button, go to settings, and once you are in settings, just go to Windows Update. And here you have to make sure that you are updated, you haven't any pending updates for your Windows. If you might get, just try to update your Windows from here. So once you're updated, you just have to go to apps, and here just go to startup apps, and here you have to enable this setting for only necessary apps. For example, I'm gonna enabling this feature for only for my Windows security notification icon, not for any other app, because this happens whenever you restart your PC. These apps might slow down your PC or when start up. So once I've disabled them, these apps won't be able to use it. Use your CPU or your RAM at startup. So once you have done, you have to simply go back, here click on this window button again, and you just have to simply search for Task Manager. And once you're in Task Manager, you just have to look for File Explorer here. If you don't get that, just open your File Explorer and then go to Task Manager again. Now here, just right click on File Explorer, click on this restart option to restart your File Explorer. Once you have restarted your File Explorer, it will completely refresh your desktop and your PC itself. So once you have done, now you have to adjust the visual effects of your windows. Just click on this window button again, and here you have to search for appearance, or you can also search for adjust appearance here. Let's say I'm gonna search for adjust appearance and performance of windows. Just click open from here and then go to advanced, and here you just have to look for visual effects, then click on adjust for best performance, then click apply, and then okay. So it will minimize the visual effects of your windows. So once you have done, your PC's performance will be posted. So in this way you can easily fix if your PC is lagging or running slow with Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.